Welcome GoGarip Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, we will provide you on unlocking and deleting stubborn files or folders on Windows 11 and 10. How do I delete a file that won't delete? How do I force a corrupted file to delete? If you are experiencing issues where you cannot delete a file or folder, this Garip Windows article will help you. For example, due to improper shutdown of PC or a virus attack, a few files may get corrupted and cannot be deleted. In addition, a program or a service may also be using the file you want to delete, and you do not figure out which program or service is using them. Here, a freeware application may play a handy role. You can also delete a stubborn file without a third party, but you have to do many tasks. First, reboot your computer in safe mode, and then you can try to delete those files that are unable to delete in normal mode. It is a time-consuming process, and in this busy era, no one has such times. Everyone wants to do her job quickly. A few good tools help in deleting stubborn files that you cannot delete through the normal procedures. Let me show you one by one. iObit Unlocker. iObit Unlocker is a free program and plays a vital role when you face problems in deleting a file. It solves errors like cannot delete files, access is denied, the file is in use by another program or user, or there has been a sharing violation problems. This tiny application lets you manage all your files the way you want. With Unlock and Delete, Unlock and Rename, Unlock and Move, and Unlock and Copy, iObit Unlocker allows easier ways to unlock and manage the files and folders to keep them safe and available. Once you find cannot delete files, simply drag or drop them to iObit Unlocker. Then you can quickly unlock, rename, copy, or move them as you wish. No complex operation is needed. The program also comes with a forced mode, which is helpful when the Unlocker app will be unable to unlock and delete in normal mode. It will delete those files when you reboot your PC. After installing the application, it also merges itself with right-click context menu that makes deleting files/folders much easier. Simply right-click on the file that you cannot delete or remove, and select the iObit Unlocker option from the context menu. The Unlocker program will open. Select the option Unlock and Delete to get your job done. Download iObit Unlocker. The iObit Unlocker software is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11. You can download the latest version of this tool from its official website, link provided in video description. Unlocker. Unlocker is another free application that exists in the market for a long time. We personally prefer to use this program because of its tiny size and limited options. After installing the tool, it also integrates into right-click context menu that makes the task easy. Unlocker helps you to delete files even if they are in use, protected, or blocked. If you ever tried to delete a file, but you're not able to delete it because of an alert like the source or destination file may be in use or the file is in use by another program or user, Unlocker is a perfect solution for you. If the file is really protected, it will show a protection window. Select Unlock All, and the rest will be done by this tool for you. If the file is not protected, you will be able to delete it at that moment, rename it or move it to another folder. Once you are unable to delete a file/folder, perform a right-click on that and select Unlocker from the context menu. Now, the Unlocker app will open. Select the desired action and click the OK button. Download Unlocker. Unlocker program is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11. You can download this program from up to down. WiseForce Deleter. WiseForce Deleter is another nice application that helps you to delete stubborn locked files/folders. When your PC refuses to delete a file, Force Deleter will help you. Files get corrupt due to several reasons, like file/folder corrupted or affected with virus/malware, and another process uses the file, etc. When you try to delete a file, it may refuse with the error message such as "cannot delete file," "access is denied," "there has been a sharing violation," "the source or destination file may be in use," "the file is in use by another program or user," and make sure the disk is not full or write protected and that the file is not currently in use. WiseForce Deleter is an all-in-one solution for all these errors. After installation, it integrates itself in the right-click context menu. That means you can easily delete a file using WiseForce Deleter by right-clicking on the file and selecting the Force Delete option. It is compatible with 32-bit and 64-bit versions, including Win 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, and Win XP. You can download it from its official website. FileAssassin. FileAssassin is a free program that helps you delete a file or folder that you cannot delete due to malware or spyware attack on your PC. It helps you terminate the process, unload modules, and close remote handles. It is also beneficial to eliminate suspected malware files from your PC that you can't. Its easy-to-use user interface allows you to delete any files or folders with a click quickly. Once you launch this tool, click on 3 dots on the program to select a file or folder that you want to delete, and then click on the Execute button. This program also supports the drag and drop feature. That means drag the file to its text box area that you want to delete and then click the Execute button to complete the deleting. The app will kill all processes which are locking the file/folder, and the selected file or folder is completely removed from your PC. That's it.